Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, okay? Oh, Three of Swords. The Moon. Oh my God. Virgo, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Okay. Three of Swords. Virgo people, are you guys going through some kind of a heartbreak thing? Okay. Somebody has broken your heart, or it could be a third party situation. I feel that it is a third party situation. Perhaps your person, your partner is already involved in with somebody else. Okay, and that thing has made you really sad. That thing has broken your heart. So you guys are going through some kind of a negative thing. Okay, let's just clarify. Oh my God, a lot of conflicts is going on. Lot of conflicts is going on. I feel that perhaps it's because of your person who has dished you. Okay, perhaps it is a third party situation going on in your life. Okay, perhaps your person is seeing somebody else. Okay, they are into somebody else. Okay, or it could also happen that there is some kind of a conflict is going on in your own um home. I mean, perhaps you must have spoken to your family about your partner, but now they are creating conflict out of it. Okay, they are not listening to you, they are not respecting your emotions. Okay, and they must be pressurizing you to leave to leave your partner. Okay, that's why you are feeling heartbroken. Okay, I mean, at this point of time when you need your family support and friend support and loved one support, at this point of time nobody is supporting you. Okay, and rather than supporting you, they are fighting with you. Okay, they must be pressurizing you to leave your partner. Okay, so anything could be happen, so some kind of a conflict is going on in your life, Virgo. Okay, the Moon. We have the Moon. Your person feels lot of emotional silence in this relationship. Your person feels that you are hiding something from them. Your person feels that you don't want to let them into your life. Your person feels left out by you. They feel that you are hiding something from them. They feel that you are not ready to get them into your life. Okay, I believe that most of you must have not told your person about this conflict which is going on in your life. Okay, so that's why they are feeling left out. That's why they feel they are seeing that, I mean, they are feeling that you are being secretive. Okay, you are hiding something from them. Okay, so that was your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. Okay, Six of Wands. And how they see you. How they see you. Six of Wands. You see them as somebody who has who is a warrior. Okay, you see them as somebody who knows how to get victory. Okay, but their goal is somewhere else. Okay, their goal is somewhere else. Even though they have won a lot of battle in their life, but now their goal is on somebody else, or I would say on some other target. Okay, perhaps they have, um, they must have done a lot of hard work to reach at uh, at on a particular situation or particular position in their life. Now they must be, seeking some new growth, or I would say some bigger position for them. Okay, so they have won a battle, now they are planning, or now they are preparing for the another battle in their life. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is a warrior in life. Okay, who never gets things easily. Okay, they fight a lot to earn such thing. Okay, be it money, be it respect, be it position. Okay, on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who is a nurturer, who is a very kind person. Okay, who knows how to balance, how to hold emotional relationship. Okay, who know how to bring balance, okay, into life, into in who know how to bring balance into life. Okay, so they see you as somebody who can put a lot of efforts emotionally to in any relationship, be it your relationship with your parents, be it your relationship with your friends, your loved ones, or some kind of a romantic relationship. So they feel about you that, they see you as somebody who is a keeper. Okay, who knows how to keep relationships alive in your life. Okay, now let's see how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Okay, okay, see, this is the same thing which I just told you, and how they feel about you. Oh, oh. Okay, so Virgo people, we have King of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. So Virgo, as I told you, that you see them as somebody who is a warrior in their life. Okay, who has earned all the things in their life on their own. Okay, and they had done a lot of hard work to earn that particular thing in their life. Plus, okay, now coming back to these two cards, King of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. So you feel about them, they are a warrior. Okay, so you see them as a king. Okay, you see them as somebody who has earned a very big position in their life with a lot of hard work. Okay, they are on that position where most of the people, they dream about that. Okay, so they have earned a lot of respect within their family, within their society, within their organization. Okay, but one point of time you feel that this person also misses something. Okay, this person is like little sad about something. Okay, to be on top, it's not an easy task, or to maintain that position is absolutely not an easy task. Okay, so they must be, there are so many people who don't understand other people's struggle. Okay, so perhaps that thing makes them really, sad, but they can't do anything. They have to choose what is best for them. Okay, and this card is depicting the same thing with Seven of Swords, sorry, Seven of Wands. So they have chosen their path, they have chosen the best options. Okay, or the best opportunities for them. Okay, so they have designed their, or they have made their own destiny. That's what you feel about them. Okay, now we have Justice card. Your person feels about you that even though you are somebody who is a keeper. Okay, even though you are somebody who is a nurturer, who is a giver, who has a lot of emotions for the other people, but at some point of time you have your own limits. Okay, you cannot tolerate, or you do not tolerate any kind of nonsense in your life. Okay, even though you are showing as a Queen of Cups, but At times you make other people realize that this is your line and you should not cross that border. Okay, there should be a dignity which should be maintained by people while talking to them. Okay, so with this justice card, they are also projecting themselves as that they are not the one who they are not easy to approachable. Uh, I mean nobody or not anyone can go and talk to them, or the way the way they wanted. Okay, so this person, you Virgo, so your person feels about you, Virgo, that you are somebody who knows how to bring balance into life. Okay, who knows where to stop the other people. Okay, who knows where to cut people out from their life. Okay, so you have the scale in your hand, Virgo, and you have the sword in your hand. So you always, if it is necessary to cut people out from your life, you you just observe things, you just observe their behavior, and the time you feel that it's time to let go this person, you just cut them off. Okay, so that's how your person is feeling about you, Virgo. Now let's see what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. What you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. Four of Pentacles. The High Priestess. Oh my God. You feel little insecure. Okay, Virgo, let me be very honest with you. You feel at times at times you feel very insecure in this relationship. Sometimes you feel, what if your person leaves you, okay, in between? What if you guys are not going to, live together, okay? What if something happens? What if somebody else comes in between you and your person? So you are being little insecure about your person, or and little bit or you're being insecure about your relationship. Okay, you don't want to let go this relationship, you don't want to let go your person. Okay, you just want this person to be in your life always. Okay, you are just you have hold this relationship very tightly. Okay, you have hold this particular person very tightly. You don't want to let go them at any cost. Okay, on the other hand, we have the High Priestess card. Again, your person is thinking in a same manner. Your person feels that something is going on with my Virgo people, that they are hiding from me. Okay, sometimes they feel that something is bothering you. Perhaps you are not, you know, you are not disclosing it in front of your person, Virgo. So that's why your person feels about you as this High Priestess, that this person shows emotions to me, this person shows that they have dignity in life. Okay, but what's going on, what's the matter with my Virgo people? Okay, so let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential for Virgo? Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups. Somebody is coming with a love offer in your life, Virgo. Your person is coming towards you. Perhaps it's them who always wants to come in your life, but being you are being very silent. Okay, you are not confronting your emotions in front of them. That's why they are, they are just waiting for your confirmation. Okay, the day you will confirm your emotion, the day you will confront your emotions in front of them, they will definitely move ahead in this relationship with you. Okay, they are genuinely wants to offer you something. They are the genuine person basically. Okay, and they genuinely wants to offer you something in this relationship, Virgo. Okay, and I feel that the day you will feel comfortable, the day you will confront your emotions, the day you will open your heart in front of a person, the day you will tell them your insecurities, they are definitely going to be with you. Okay, they are definitely going to help you out in this, in from that mess. Okay, and they are definitely going to offer you something solid in this relationship in future. Okay. Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. And let me just quickly tell you all the signs. Virgo people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. We have Pisces in this reading twice, okay? So with the Moon and the High Priestess. We have Water sign in this reading with this Queen of Cups and Knight of Cups card, okay? Some of you could be dealing with uh, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Water sign. Okay, we have Earth sign in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Four of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. We have a fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Six of Wands, Seven of Wands and Five of Wands. Oh my God, 5, 6, 7. And we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Three of Swords. Okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.